Hello, good morning to one and all. Myself Dr. Atul, Chief Physician, Aradhana Ayurveda Mannarkad. As you all seeing on the board itself, today we are going to discuss on the regions of upper limb. So in the last video we had discussed regarding the parts of the upper limb, somewhat similar topic we can say, but we have been detailing that parts under the regions of the upper limb. So let's don't waste our time and we go to the video. The first region is the shoulder region. First one is the shoulder region. You can just make your notes simultaneously so that it will be very beneficial to you. So first one is the shoulder region. Second region which comes in the upper limb is the arm. We had discussed this all in the previous video, previous class also. In this we will be dealing more briefly. So first one is the shoulder region, second one is the arm region, third is the forearm region. And the fourth one is the hand. So shoulder region, arm region, it is also called as the brachium. And next is the forearm region, also known as antebrachium. A-N-T-E brachium. Hand region is called as manus. So these are the four regions which is present in the upper limb. So we have two upper limb, that is the right upper limb and the left upper limb. So regions which is coming in the upper limb is, first one is shoulder region, second one is the arm region also known as brachium, third one is forearm region known as antebrachium, fourth one is the hand, or it's also called as manus. So let's see the shoulder region, what it is made up of, what all it includes. So first one is a shoulder region. It includes somewhat regions, like first one is it includes pectoral or breast region. So in shoulder region only, first point is the pectoral region or the breast region, which is coming in front of the chest. As you can see in the video, in the photo also, you just notice the photo also simultaneously with the voice. First one is the pectoral or the breast region, you can see on the photo also, which is coming in the front of the chest. Second one is the axilla, generally we call as armpit. Third one which is coming under the shoulder region is the scapular region. So C is scapular region. So this scapular region is coming in the back side, that is which the scapula bone is there. So that region is called as a scapular region. So three region, the shoulder region, first we had discussed regarding the shoulder region. We had discussed the regions of the upper limb, shoulder, arm, forearm and hand, and that's first one we are discussing, that is the shoulder region. In shoulder region only it is coming, that is pectoral or the breast region, which is coming in front of the chest. Second one is the axilla, which is also called as the armpit. Third one is the scapular region, which is coming on the back side. One bone is there, that is scapula bone. So let's discuss the bones of the shoulder girdle. So totally in the shoulder girdle there are two bones, as we had already discussed in the previous video also, but we will be describing under the shoulder girdle two bones which is coming, that is the clavicle bone. It is also known as the collar bone. Second one which is coming, we had discussed scapular region, that is a scapula bone. So shoulder girdle consists of the two bones. The first one is the clavicle bone, also known as the collar bone. Second one is the scapula bone. The scapular bone is very mobile and held in position by the muscles, and this clavicle, it articulates with the axial skeleton at sternoclavicular joint. When we deal with the sternoclavicular joint, we will tell that. So for now, it is the bones of the shoulder girdle, that is two bones it forms, that is the scapula and the clavicle. And one more important thing when we say about the shoulder girdle bones, these two bones articulate with each other to form the acromioclavicular joint. It forms acromioclavicular joint. So clavicle, that is the clavicle one, and acromial process of the scapula. Scapula is having an acromion process. So these two articulate with each other to form this joint, that is acromioclavicular joint. So coming to the arm region, next one is the arm region. So next one is the arm region, or it is also known as brachium. So let's see its extension. It extends from the shoulder to the elbow joint. It extends from shoulder to the elbow joint, shoulder joint to the elbow joint, and also it forms only one bone, which I had discussed in the earlier video also, that is humerus bone. So its upper end, humerus upper end, meet with the scapula to form this joint, that is shoulder joint. So shoulder joint is formed by the upper end of the humerus. Only one bone is coming in the arm region, that is the humerus. Arm region extends from the shoulder joint to the elbow joint. Humerus upper end meet with scapula to form the shoulder joint. And the shoulder joint permits the movement of the arms. That is why arm is very mobile. Shoulder joint is responsible for that movement also. So next one is the forearm region. So forearm region also known as the antebrachium. Let's see the extension of the forearm region. It is extending from the elbow joint to the wrist joint, elbow joint to the wrist joint. So elbow joint to wrist joint extension, two bones it makes, that is the first one is the radius bone coming in the lateral side, second one is the ulna bone coming in the medial side. In the last video I had discussed what is lateral side and what is medial side. Lateral side it is radius bone, medial side it comes as a ulna. So two bones it make. At their upper end, that is the radius and ulna's upper end is there, it meet with the lower end of the humerus, and that forms the elbow joint. Because radius, this first the humerus bone will come in the arm region, humerus bone is coming, so humerus bone's lower end and the radius ulna's upper end meet form elbow joint. Similarly, in downside, the lower side of the radius and the ulna meet with the bones, carpal bones are there to form the wrist joint. So elbow joint is formed by the humerus, radius, ulna. The main point here, two joints are made by the forearm region. So forearm region is making elbow joint and wrist joint. Elbow joint is made by humerus plus radius, that is the radial bone, and the ulna bone. Three bones are making the elbow joint. Wrist joint is made by radius lower part, ulna lower part, and the carpal bones. I had told carpal bones are present 8 in each upper limb, together 16 are there. So these carpal bones with ulna and radius, it make the wrist joint. Two joints are made by the forearm in the forearm region. So fourth one is the hand region. Hand region, it is also known as the manus. So in the hand region, it comes, first one is the wrist, also called as carpus. There are 8 carpal bones. 8 carpal bones arranged in 2 rows. Like this, 2 rows it has been arranged. So 8 carpal bones are there arranged in 2 rows on each upper limb. So first one is the wrist having 8 carpal bones. Second one is the metacarpal. I had shown you metacarpal bones in last video. So it is hand proper, also it is called as hand proper or metacarpus. Supported by 5 metacarpal bones are there on each. 5 metacarpal bones are there on each upper limb. And the third one, there are 5 digits. 5 digits, thumb and the 4 fingers. So 14 phalanges, that is except thumb, each finger is having 3 phalanges. In thumb there are 2. I had shown you 5 metacarpal bones. There are 5 metacarpal bones. 14 phalanges are there, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and in thumb only 2 are there, 13 and 14. So 14 phalanges are there on each upper limb, and when we compare both upper limb there will be 28. So 3 phalanges on 4 finger and 2 is there in the thumb. Thumb is having only 2, that is important. Thumb is having only 2 phalanges. Total 14 phalanges on each upper limb. So the carpal bones which is present, which is kept in the 2 rows, it is kept in 2 rows. 8 carpal bones are there, kept in 2 rows. So this was for the today's video. For the next video we will be coming with a new topic. Until then, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and share maximum to your friends, those who are studying, those who are preparing for entrance, and for all those who are interested in the academia. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting.